A lot of people are pretty hyped to see this game. Thoughts, Kronii?
My thoughts are that the characters are really cool. Also, stop sending me friend requests already. Hello, people. People.
Friend.
Okay, but...
Anyway, what am I doing? Help! How do I... Oh, here we go. No! How do I stop the team message?
Oh, okay, that was a good name.
We're finding a game. Loading a game. Loading in. Guys, look, I really want to be your friend, but unfortunately, you know, I can't, you know, be your friend. We can be friends, but not friends. You can't get it? Because I'm friends with Kronii.
Wait, I remember having this conversation before, and I was Stranger Zone, so...
What? By who?
By the chat. So, you know what? I'm gonna Streamer Zone you. Ha 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 ha!
There's no such thing as the friend zone. The only reason that you're lonely